Let's explore the beauty of Swat in Pakistan, a famous place in Swat, Balasur. Start from this main point, Baghdiri. Here is also the witness of beauty of Swat in front of your eyes. This is the main spot of tourism in Swat, which is known by the name of Balasur, which got famous recently in a few days. And its attraction is really unbelievable. The greenery, the mountains, the clouds, the people, the love has created its attraction too much. The thing is, a tiding for tourist and visitor is the road, which is a carpet like is created by the CM Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Here is hustle and bustle. People are drinking, eating, and camping with family members. One of them, we are here unexpectedly, off-handed visit we had. Toward this place is really unexpressible in words. This road links with Mata from Baghdiri side, Kharkhale Ashare side. The tiny flowers in bushes has created beauty of dazzling. The road is still in progress, will be soon completed. Swat is behind of comparison with anything. There are many outstanding, unbelievable natural scenes, sights, mountains. Here is one of them is Balasur. We have explored many beautiful places in Swat. One of them is Balasur staff. Its attraction is really unbelievable at the top of the mountain. This road is also one of the most beautiful things for the visitors and tourists is that here all the tourists and the hikers are enjoying their time. This sight, this view, this picturesque is created beauty because of its simple, its lovable people. They are eating and enjoying their food stuff. This is the top of the Balasurs, where people have installed small kiosk shops for selling foods and soft drinks, which is recently got famous because of that there is no restaurant, there is no hotel, there is no shop. The scene is really unbelievable. In the whole trip, that scene is taken my heart. I was unable to curb my fashion, sentiments, my emotion. The greenery has created much beauty for all the people. Here were some people because of their emotion, because of their sentiments, were not in control. They danced, they enjoyed, they took some photography and videography. One of them we were. This stuff is also brought unbelievable beauty because of those numbers which is spread in the sky all over. People are busy in their videos and their clips. They were really over the moon. Video is the witness to show you the enjoy, the sentiments of people is here. You can see with your own eyes is they are dancing. Some of them are clapping. This is enjoyment which can be curved. Here the foreign people, the unknown visitor, they are enjoying their time with their friends. We stopped and we enjoyed a lot. And we are thanked to them for coming, for enjoying. They are doing traditional dance. It's really amazing. And they did very well as we enjoyed them. After that, we just coming back. Because of rain, it was going to be rain very soon. Due to that, we started coming back and we stopped for some photography and videography by this side. All of them are busy in their videos or enjoying their time on the bike they are riding. It's really a pleasure for them. This sight brings us an imaginary picturesque. Most people are unaware of this sight. They are unaware of this beauty. Here, the red and the green carpet mountains, the bush has created much beauty. There are some pieces of land which are still under construction will be soon completed. No problem will be faced while coming as you are coming. Here is the place, it's really under construction, will be soon completed. Wow, it's really wet for it. I don't have words for this scene. It's really unbelievable. Really, just look at this scene. Is the bikes are coming toward their main spot. It's unbelievable to believe it is Sawat. With visitors, I am also feeling over the moon, as my face is the witness I am doing well there. It was going to be dark very soon. It was almost the time of evening. We had intention of coming back, but still the visitors in their cars, in their vehicles were coming. As I was the first saw a female was riding a car, I was wondered to her energy. There were a lots of motorcycles and cars. They were also heading back to their houses, their homes, and some were coming to the spot of tourism at the evening time. Here is the humble request to all visitors, tourists, and to the common people of area. You can see the husk of watermelons, plastics, bottles people have thrown in this mother nature. Please don't spoil it when thou come.
السلام عليكم. منوالو منغا ترد تلو سزيدو دار سبنو بالاسور first time وترالو او دسي unexpectedly وترالو او مونږ کوم خلک ولدو کوم ټورست ولدو کوم ویزیټرز ولدو ماشاءالله لکه ډیر بهترین روډ ډیر ښکلی دی. بعضې ځینو کې لږ مشکلات دي هغه هم چې دی نو زموږ ماشاءالله سیم ډیر بهترین کارونه د روډ په سطحه د پراګریشن په سطحه ډیر زیات ښکلي کړلي. ډیر بهترین روډ جوړ کړلی. موږ تاسو ته روډ هم ښایو او د تم خو زموږ سره سټې کوئ. ډیر بهترین سایټ دی. که تاسو مو غم چېرته میلاو شوه چکر راولګوئ.
تاسو ټول ته یو میسج در کوم چې کله هم راځئ نو د خټکي او هندوانې خورئ او د دې دا ګند بیا سیټ ته ګذارئ. ښکلې به راغونډوئ او سیټ ته ږدئ.
ډاکټر صاحب تاسو دا ویل غواړي چې کله هم تاسو راځئ ځان سره تاسو چې کله فوډ سټپ راوړئ لکه کله چې ځان سره زیاتره خلک دلته راوړي نو واټر میلن شو سویټ میلن شو خربوزه یا هندوانه دا راوړئ نو هغه زموږ خلک کې دا څه چې دی نو هغه اویرنس پکې نشته. په هغه ځای باندې وخوري په هغه ځای باندې ګن پرېږدي نو په هغه ځای باندې ګن هم جمع شي او چې کوم دی هغه ځای هم ګنده شي. زمونږ همبل ریکویسټ دی تاسو ته چې کله هم تاسو راځئ نو پلیز مهرباني کوئ هغه ځای کې تاسو چل کوئ ځان سره تیلې راوړئ په هغه تیلو کې تاسو چې دی بندوئ یو طرف ته ګزارئ یا یو طرف ته سټاکوئ نو ښه به یي یا واپس یو بل ځای چې دی دنګ کمرې د هغې نه ګزارئ نو هغه به ډېره زیاته ښه یي. تھینک یو ډېره مهرباني.
This place is still under construction. It's not difficult to cross or drive here, but it needs a very good techniques to drive here. In the whole road, this place is under construction and soon will be completed this road. After raining, the mountains were like a young bud. My youth is looking like they are looking. They are too much beautiful looking. For enjoyment and for the sentiments of mine, I repeat this clip in this video for you people to enjoy it, its beauty and attraction. The trees on one side, red carpet and green carpet. You have to come here and you have to enjoy it. Please, the last thing I would like to tell you people is that please don't spoil it and don't throw any sort of garbage in Mother Nature. It's for you, it's for me. Come enjoy and repeat it. Don't spoil it for your short time. It's a thing for you always to be enjoyed. Thank you for watching and please come here enjoy it. It's the Balasur's beauty.